How's it going, guys? Matt from Spark, and today I'm going to show you how to install the dual battery kit on your Brute. So the first thing out of the box is this entire piece. This is the battery carriage. There's a lot going on here. These two holes are used to mount the bracket onto the bike itself. This is a front cover piece, and it has slotted holes right here. If you loosen those screws, it allows that front plate to move forward and backwards depending on the size of your battery. On the front is a slot that will be used for the strap that will hold that battery down. But yeah, this is multiple components, guys, so that it can adjust. So the slots on the side here allow the carriage to move up and down. These screws allow the holding to open up this way. There's just, a lot of variations. Our bikes are handmade, and we've had to design something that will accommodate all those things. Let's install this and see how it goes. To get started, we are going to use a 6mm Allen, and we are just going to remove these two black side plates. There's a rubber mat on the bottom of the Brute's battery carriage. There's no reason to take it off unless you just want to. Okay, so now that we have our bracket, we simply take it, slide it on over the top here, and you're going to notice that these two holes are going to line up with the same black plates that we just took off. So we're going to take the black plates and take the original bolt and put that over the top. All right, the next component is going to be this front plate, and what you're going to do first is take the belt that's included, and you're going to feed that through the slot in this plate. All right, now you're going to take that and feed the belt through the underside of that plate. You'll notice that these two holes are slotted, and that's going to allow us better alignment in the future. And then it's just a 4mm Allen. Here's my side panel. You're going to notice that there are two slotted holes on the bottom there, and there is a slotted hole on the top and this bend. This one is not black. We will vinyl wrap them. You can also take the vinyl off and do whatever color you want. Kind of a fun little customization option. But when I put this on the side, you're going to see these two bottom plates are not completely lined up. So we got two options. If you remember, I told you that that screw and that screw are slotted. So we can actually move this entire assembly up. If that doesn't work, you can take a drill and just drill it out a little bit extra. That's not a big deal. But let's start by trying to move up the whole carriage. So I'm going to loosen these two bolts up, and that's going to allow this to move up and down and side to side a little bit. So I'm just going to push that down now that I've loosened things up. And if I put this on there, you're going to see that those holes line up. You guys got to keep in mind this is a handmade thing. And we've done our best to make it adjustable for all the different inconsistencies that are possible from the building process, but it's always going to be some little challenges, but hopefully you don't have that. Okay, I now have the two bolts on the bottom aligned, and I just put this top one on, and so the last step we're going to do is actually put the battery in and mount it on. All right, I've got my powerful lithium battery, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the strap to the side. I'm going to make sure that's going around the front, and I'm just going to push the battery in. For the rear strap, my recommendation is to go around the back and put it over that beam and over the top of the battery. Okay, so I've added the buckle back on, and I have tightened this guy down. We do have another type of strap, so depending on when you get your kit, it may be this one or a different kind of clasp. They all do the same thing, and the goal is to keep the battery down this direction. The side plates are going to squeeze it from this way and keep it from rocking side to side. Now that I have the battery mounted, all I got to do, put on the other plate and bolt that up.